Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability. Exercise 5.1 question number 30. Let's see the question. Find the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x is equal to 5 if x is less than or equal to 2. Ax plus b if x lies between 2 and 10. 21 if x is greater than or equal to 10. They have given that it is a continuous function. So it is given this continuous function, we need to find the value of a and b. They have not given any value of x. In case if they have not given any value of x, there are three values of f of x. Take a common value of x, that is in first two the common is 2. In the next two the common is 10. So we are going to do two functions. We are going to check the limit for two functions, that when x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 10. Now if I take 2, this will be my LHL, this will be my RHL. When less than 2 means we are going to take f of x to be 5. When it is greater than 2 means x value will be, f of x will be ax plus b. So it is given that the functions are continuous, so that means LHL will be equal to our RHL. So limit extends to 2 negative on the left hand limit and 2 positive on the right hand limit. So f of x is equal to limit extends to 2 positive f of x. Now f of x value, you can substitute it to be 5 is equal to limit extends to 2 positive ax plus b. Substitute the value of 2 in the place of x. There is no x, so it will be 5 only. So 5 is equal to a into 2, that is 2a plus b. We are getting one equation, let it be as it is. Now we are going to take the x value to be 10. So your left hand side, that is less than 10, will be ax plus b. On the right hand side, that is greater than 10, will be 21. Now let me draw the number line. This will be my left hand limit, this will be my right hand limit. Here it is less than means less than 10 means it is ax plus b. Greater than 10 means it is 21. Now limit extends to 10 negative, f of x will be equal to limit extends to 10 positive f of x. Now here it becomes f of x value is limit extends to 10 negative ax plus b is equal to limit extends to 10 positive 21. Substitute the value of 10 here in the place of x. It becomes 10a plus b is equal to, here there is no x, so it will become 21. Now we have got two equations, that is phi is equal to 2a plus b. Here 10a plus b is equal to 21. Do elimination of both the values. So take this equation as 1 and this is as 2. What we have learnt in lower classes, 2a plus b is equal to 5. Here 10a plus b is equal to 21. I am going to eliminate, that is we are going to change the sign. If I change the sign, here it becomes, here b gets cancelled, it becomes minus 8, a is equal to 16 with a greater number sign of minus. So a becomes minus get cancelled, 8 2s are 16, so a becomes 2. A is equal to 2, substitute in any of the equation, always substitute in a smaller one, plus b equal to 5. I will substitute a here, so it becomes 2 plus b equal to 5. So 4 plus b equal to 5, b is equal to 5 minus 4, b is equal to 1. So we have found the value of a and b. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. That's all with the sum. Thank you.